Guys, it's Vincent here back with another video, and in today's video we're going to talk about a lot of things. So stay tuned till the very end and stay here and keep watching. It's not really a topic, but it's about loneliness and how you feel when you're alone. So basically what I wanted to mention was that it is okay to be alone sometimes, and I'm saying this for me, myself, and some of you out there who are actually alone and doing all the work on yourself and doing all the work by yourself to get rich, and you're trying really hard to come up in the world, which is quite difficult right now. Yeah, it's actually difficult to come up in the world, but at least you're trying. You know what I mean? At least you're trying. At least you're not giving up. It's nice. Yeah, it's nice. So I just want to share one story with you guys about me. So the other day I was like lying in my bed, okay, doing nothing because I had no work that day, and sadly there was no any business with me. You know, I had no business that day, and all I was doing at home is sitting in my bed. So I was just randomly thinking, like, I do not have friends, alright? I have friends, but you know, they're not the kind of friends that are going to talk or they're going to be with you forever. They're nothing like that, okay? So I do not have any friends, and it does get quite lonely, but I think it's fine. Yeah, it's really fine if you're like working on yourself, because you don't have any options left, you know. You really do not have any options left with you, and I know some of you can totally relate to this shit, because I feel we all are social people, social animals, I don't know what do they call it, but I feel that we need to really work on ourselves no matter what happens. Birthday parties or weddings or anniversaries, anything, any of that sort. Alright, so it's good that you're alone, and it's really good that I'm alone, because that way you get to focus on yourself and myself. And yeah, I think along the way, if you're getting someone who is loyal to you, I mean, I'm talking about a partner, not a friend, so I think you should go with it. I really think you should go with it. Don't overthink it or you'll end up like me. So just don't overthink it and just do what your heart says. Do not fall for any traps. Be aware of traps. It's really not worth it to waste your time on someone who is not going to put as much efforts as you. But I really think that I'll get out of this thing real soon, because I know how hard I'm working and what I'm doing to get at my, you know, future goal, like to get there. So I really enjoy the struggles that I'm going through right now, but it's taking a toll on my body. I wouldn't lie to you, I cannot sleep at nights. It's really difficult. I mean, really difficult. I'm missing people. I'm missing everyone that I had before, and I'm not able to cope up with life. It's really difficult, but I think I'll get through this as well. And yeah, it's quite difficult, guys. Yeah, you need to choose. You need to choose what you want to be. You know, I feel like if I'm choosing this life, the way I am, the things that I do, I think it's quite difficult, and I don't think it's that easy for anyone to do so. But at the same time, these are the things that you must do in order to do something in life. If you don't do, I mean, you'll just be someone, you know, I don't know, some random person. No one would value you. I think it has nothing to do with people's opinion. It's all about you. See how you feel and do things for yourself. Okay, I'm no one to tell you that you have to do certain things, but you should know better, and you should know what's good for you and your future and your kids and your family and whatever. You see how you want your life to be and act accordingly. Please do not take any impulsive decisions and, you know, spoil your life. You can always undo though. You can always undo some things. Do not drink. Do not smoke. Don't go out clubbing, partying. Don't do all of this nonsense shit. Just make sure that you're working hard. Make sure that you're working non-stop. If you're young, just go for it. You don't need sleep. You don't need that much of a food as well. Alright, just have some coffee and just get to work, because you don't have time. Time is really something, time is very important, and I feel like time is more important than money. So I feel if you just waste a little time, not waste but invest some of your time in building a business and getting rich, then later on you have all the time that you need to do all the stupid shit that you want to do now. Alright, so I feel I'm gonna do the same as well, and I just hope whatever I do, I do good, because I do not want to fail after all these struggles. It's quite difficult to even explain what I'm feeling right now. So one more thing, I'm building a new business and I'm gonna share the footage of the structure that I'm building. So just have a look and comment below what you think of it. It's quite nice, but I also need some opinions about what you think. Okay, I'm not gonna say what it is, just assume things. Okay, just make sure that you type something down so that I know what you all think about this, and I know whether I'm going in the right direction or I'm not. Okay, so make sure you comment something and let me know what you think of this structure. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna go sleep now. It's too late. It's almost fuck off. It's almost like 1:30 a.m. in the morning. So yeah, I gotta go and I'll go sleep. I'll try to sleep. I'm not sure if I'll even get some sleep, but I'll try my best. Alright, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, I don't know if you liked it, but if you did, make sure to subscribe. And yeah, comment below what you think. Comment below and let me know. So don't forget to always work hard and do not quit. No matter what happens, just don't quit. You're very close to getting what you want. And yeah, God is watching, I'm watching, everyone's watching.